As an associate, you need to focus on key sales activities that drive your business. Weichert has a formula to help you do just that, the Success Card. To make it easier for you to implement this formula, we have developed an app, the Weichert Success Tracker. It's the fitness app for real estate. The app is designed to help you drive your business. Use it to set your goals focusing on your key sales activities, track these key activities, maintain your plan, and bottom line, it will help you generate more business. When you first download the app, you'll be asked to set your sales goals. Default goals will appear to guide you. After the quick goal setting process, you can now start to track your progress. You'll receive a daily notification to help you stay on track. All you need to do is click on that notification and enter your activities. To help you stay focused and ensure you meet your goals, at any time you can view your progress to see how you're doing compared to the goals that you set for yourself. The app is available for both Android and iOS. See your manager to get set up. Are you ready to reach your goals? Download the Weichert Success Tracker app and get started today.